To easily connect Sony WF-C510 earbuds to your laptop or PC, open your laptop's settings menu. Click Bluetooth and devices in the list. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on in your settings. Click on Add Device. Choose the option labeled Bluetooth. Place earbuds into the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds. Watch for the light to flash blue. Wait until WF-C510 appears on your laptop. Click on WF-C510 once it appears. Confirm the connection. Click Done when prompted. Look at the top panel. You should see connected mic and audio info. Encountering issues? Try a factory reset. Subscribe for more useful tips.